Good day everyone, we are the group 4. For this lesson, our group will discuss the Management Information System. And the part of this lesson that I'm going to discuss is the components of MIS. I am the first reporter and my name is Mariel Menes. Let us first know the meaning of MIS. What is Management Information System or MIS? A Management Information System is an information system used for decision making and for the coordination, control, analysis, and visualization of information in an organization. The study of the management information systems involves people, processes, and technology in an organizational context. Let's proceed to the introduction. The use of MIS in any business operation is very significant. As discussed in the previous chapter, it helps managers in coming up with decisions. This chapter will focus on components, uses, and other aspects of management information system that a tourism and hospitality management professional needs to know and understand. Ang use daw po ng MIS in any business operation is very significant. Dahil po, natutulungan ng MIS ang mga managers when coming up with decisions. And yung next po na topic is I'm going to discuss the 5 components of MIS. Management Information System is composed of 5 basic components in order to assist management in decision making. These are the following. The first component is hardware. Hardware. These are the input and output devices of an MIS. It includes computers or desktops, laptops, video monitors, magnetic disk drives, optical scanners, printers, and other necessary for the system to function accordingly. Isa po ang hardware sa components of MIS dahil ang hardware po, ito po yung mga gagamitin mong tools and equipment para sa inyo pong company. For example po is computer or desktops. Ito po yung gagamitin mo sa pag-store mo ng mga data na makakalap mo. For example, sa mga big hotel po or big company. Computers po ang mga ginagamit nila sa pag-store ng kanilang data. Sa mga nag-start pa lang po na business, like yung maliliit pa na hotel, ang mga ginagamit pa lang po nila is laptops. So, malaki pong tulong ang hardware pagdating sa mga hotel or mga company. Next component is software. Software. These include the programs and applications that convert into machine-readable language. Examples are operating system programs, payroll programs, word processing programs, and spreadsheet programs. Ang software po is typically classified into major types of software. The first type po is yung program software. At ang example po nun is yung operating system program, word processing programs, at marami pa po. And yung next po is application software. Ito naman po yung magagamit mo sa inyo pong company para mapabilis ang inyo pong trabaho. For example po is Microsoft Word, yung internet browser, yung Excel. So, malaki po yung natutulong ng software sa isang company. Next component po is data. Data. This refers to raw details to produce desired information or facts and figures entered into computers for processing. Example of these are customer records, inventory databases, product description, and employee files. Isa po ang data sa bahagi ng MIS or components ng MIS. Dahil ang data po, ito po yung nakukuha niyong information. For example po, yung customer record. Nakapaloob po dito yung mga information ng inyong customer. For example, customer feedbacks, at yung mga customer na pumapasok sa inyong hotel, ganun po yung mga nag-check-in, nag-check-out. So, yung data na po yun is natatago nyo at mahalaga po ang data na yun. And next po yung inventory databases. Ito naman po yung sa inyo pong supplies, kung kamusta na ba yung profit ng company nyo, kung nalugi ba or kumita, ganun po. And yung other example po is yung product description and employee files. The next components is procedures. These are set of guidelines to be followed in order to use effectively the other components. Ang procedures naman po, ito daw po yung set na guidelines na kailangang sundin para po maging effectively na magamit yung iba pa pong components ng MIS. The next components or the last component of MIS is people. These are the users, which may include computer experts, managers, analysts, programmers, database managers, and many other computer professionals. Ito po ay isa sa pinakamahalagang components ng MIS, ang people or yung mga tao. Dahil sila po ang kikilos para sa inyo pong company. Sila nga daw po yung users. At ang sample po nun is computer experts, at yung managers, analysts, programmers, at marami pa pong iba. Sila ang pinakamahalagang component ng MIS. Kung wala sila is parang hindi magpa-function yung MIS sa inyo pong company. These components are actually not only for MIS, but for other computer-based systems as well. As MIS continues to innovate, other components might be added for its better functionalities. Ang mga components na daw po na ito ay hindi lang po applicable sa MIS, kundi para sa lahat daw pong computer-based system. At habang ang MIS daw po ay patuloy na nag-innovate o nag-upgrade, maaari pa daw pong madagdagan yung mga components na ito para daw pong mapabilis at maging maayos ang daloy ng inyo pong company. And that's all, and thank you.
Significance of an MIS. Managers will not waste time if MIS is not of great importance to any organization. In the tourism and hospitality industry, use of MIS is important for its continuous improvements. Ang main purpose raw po ng significance of an MIS is to make managers' decision-making more efficient and productive. By pulling information from a range of sources into a single database and presenting the information in a logical format, an MIS can provide managers with everything they need to make highly informed decisions and perform in-depth analysis of operational issues. Below outlines the uses of an MIS. Supports strategy decisions of an organization, improves the accuracy and integrity of financial statements and performance reports, brings together massive amounts of data needed by top-level management, provides a central location to store business data, provides a common language for managers to understand process information, increases sales and makes the business grow better, provides a company a greater market share, improves people's performance, anticipates future problems or trends, helps in controlling various operations of an organization.
Features of an MIS. With the uses presented in the above topic, MIS has features, which translate said impacts to an organization, particularly critical to business that work in conjunction with other businesses. MIS let them share information with or transfer information to each other, especially chain of hotel, chain of restaurant, chain of resort, and the like. The following are some features of an MIS hospitality professional need to understand. Capable to handle voluminous data. Storing data for organization would be difficult without the system. Considering the complexity of a business operation, hotel for instance, data storage will be a challenge. The MIS will help an organization to store the data for management use. It stores input from users, like a sale of the day, then relates the information to other information. Preview sale throughout the system and then subsequently puts the information into graphs or chart so user can understand and compare data. Generate reports for management use. Since MIS store data, it uses the data to create and generate reports. Users of MIS determine the types of reports they will need using specific templates available in the system. The user should prompt the system of the data required, insert the data into the correct template, and then print the report for management use. That report will then be analyzed by the manager for decision making to solve a problem, update product lines, add services offered, or for any other purposes. Convenient to be accessed and can be integrated with other systems. Users of MIS can access it easily as it functions with open access. This means that the primary MIS can be connected to or integrated with those other systems within the organization. These then enable changes to data from different sources and from multiple locations. Flexible. MIS is flexible. Business organization can purchase a small version of a system and then, over time, add to it as finances allow them. Flexibility includes adding increased data capabilities, as well as system features to the initial system as the business grows. This then eliminates the need for the organization to purchase an entirely new system every few years. Facilitate quick search and retrieval of information. MIS allows quick search and retrieval of information whenever needed by the user. Management-oriented. MIS is designed from the top to work downwards. This does not mean that the only top-level managers are allowed to use it, but others can also access it.
Limitations of an MIS. Though MIS is useful to an organization, it has also limitations. Managers should be aware of these limitations to ensure that organization's objectives are not compromised. MIS is sometimes considered a solution for every vein within an organization. It may solve some critical problems, but it is not a solution to all problems of an organization. Some of these limitations are enumerated below. Its output is dependent to the input entered and its process. It is not too effective when information is not shared with others in an organization. It cannot substitute judgments of managers in decision making. It is not that valuable for making non-program decisions.
Our topic for today is MIS applications in travel and tourism industry. The use of MIS in travel and tourism industry is very significant as this industry is big and is challenging to all types of passengers and travelers will be difficult to manage without the right system that will help the organization provide the convenience they deserve. Airline success for instance depends largely on its ability to intelligently manage sales, marketing and other business processes, as well as its customer database. This chapter will introduce some system issues in the industry. The travel industry. The travel industry composed of those establishments responsible for transporting people from one place to another based on the desired destination, such as the following: airline companies, shipping lines, bus lines, travel agencies, tour operators. Below list come of the airline operating in the Philippines: Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, Zest Air, Tiger Air Philippines, Sea Air International, Spirit of Manila Airlines. Below are the different expectations from the clients of the travel industry: schedule of flight, prices of ticket, comfort of seats, quality of meals, treatment by the crew members and ground staff. Airport facilities, assistance in travel arrangements, assistance in arranging hotel accommodation, assisting in customers' problems immediately in the airport in front office. Customer to look for assistance of a travel agency. Travel agencies to book the desired itinerary. Passenger to wait for his travel schedule. Customer with travel agency. Customer to visit website of airline. Customer to fill out flight details and pay through credit card. Passenger to print ticket and want for his travel schedule. Customer with online booking. These are just some of the current setups when booking a flight at any of the available airlines in the country. The second provides convenience to the customers. They will no longer need to wait and fall in a long line just to avail a specific airline service. More and more systems are being implemented by different companies to be able to provide the necessary service to their clients to maximize their return of investment. For airlines and travel agencies using Amar's global distribution system, this technology also offers convenience, as will be discussed in this chapter.
Hello everyone, this is our Group 4 report. So my topic for today is all about the Amadeus Management Information System. Hello everyone, my name is Aleya Jimenea from the Group 4 reporter. The Amadeus Management Information System. So what is the Amadeus Management Information System? For managers needing relevant information to make informed decisions about the business. This is a powerful business intelligence tool for them, not only the managers but also the corporate customers and everyday users which they will take from their Amadeus Agency Manager Office. This pertains to a repository of operational data which was gathered from the agency manager and allowed the user to present or analyze them to make business decisions. With the MIS interface, travel agencies can offer their corporate customers an access to their personal data, which then provides them with instantly updatable reports. So, the Amadeus Management Information System, ito po yung pinaka-importanting information pagdating sa business. Ito rin po yung pinaka-matalinong tool o paraan para po sa mga managers na nagsisimula sa business o matagal na po sa business. With the MIS, it provides the following advantages. First, on customer service and flexibility. It provides better customer service as it allows the user to have a list of standard reports or create their own standard. The reports from the system are built fast, which can be sent via email and PDF format. It also allows corporate customers to access their data if they need it for reporting purposes. Second, on data security. It offers high security of data as it is hosted in a secure environment. at the immediate data center. Third, on accessibility. It is accessible via the internet, which then allow easy deployment of the solution not only to the internal users but to the corporate customers as well. More importantly, it is available to everybody, anytime, anywhere, to retrieve the information and reports they need.
Our topic for today is Central Reservation System versus Global Distribution System. What is Central Reservation System? A Central Reservation System, or CRS, is a technology that lies at the heart of hotel function. It's a computerized system that contains the hotel's ability, rates and inventory, ARI, data and help manage online and offline bookings. In this world of travel, addressing and need of various clients in challenging airlines, companies need to store a lot of information such as routine schedule, fares, and reservation where these clients depend from. Can we imagine how airlines store, distribute, and access information before the innovation of all aspects of its operation was introduced in this generation? A Central Reservation System, or commonly known as CRS, is computer-based reservation system in the travel and tourism industry need to store and retrieve information and eventually conduct transactional related to travel. It was originally designed and used by airlines but was then extended to travel agents and hotel for more convenience in transacting with various guests and travelers. It has the follow function. It provides information on schedule. This function is important for the clients to know the day and time for flights operated by a particular airline. It provides information on availability. This separates an airline's service class as available for passengers, whether economy, business, or first class. It provides information of fare codes. This information pertains to that consolidated fare for a particular itinerary that a passenger has chosen, which is based on flight, daytime, service, class or type, and passenger type. It provides information on reservation. Information such as set bookings or the confirmed service a particular passenger has availed. It provides information on ticketing. This function pertains to the capability of the system to generate and store tickets for passengers. It provides information of refund and cancellations. The system allows for refund should the confirmed passenger decide to cancel a booking due to some personal reason, provided conforms to an airline's cancellation and refund policy. Figures 5.3 CRS functionality. Provide service to prospective passenger need to have individual connection to airlines companies. For instance, a travel agent to book for customer for ABC Airlines need to have a connection to airlines CRS. If another customer need to book to CDE Airlines, the agent needs to have a connection to that airline's CRS. The problem there is when two or more airlines are using different mainframe systems, the travel agent needs to use both systems which need to be trained on different mainframe clients. The CRS also unable to perform direct searches across airline systems, which is difficult for the air traveler agent. Another is that inventory will be tedious because inventory searches or reservations had to be done route individual airline CRS separately.
My topic for today is Global Distribution System. What is Global Distribution System? A Global Distribution System, or commonly known as GDS, is another computer-based reservation system in the travel and tourism industry. It is a network of providers bringing the product and services together which are geographically spread across the world to the doorstep of consumers anywhere worldwide. Its system architectures are largely based on mainframe, TPF, or transaction processing faculty. There are four major global constitution systems. Number 1. SABRE. This was created by American Airlines. Technology was leveraged into Global Distribution System, or GDS. SABRE has retained its position as an industry leader and innovator in both the airline. Number 2. Amadeus. This was created through the efforts of four airlines and the Air France, Iberia, Lufthansa, and SAS. Number 3. Galileo. This was created by collaborative efforts of a group of European airlines. Number 4. Worldspan. This was formed by Delta Airlines, Northwest Airlines, and Trans World Airlines in early 1990. There's also a four advantages and in global constitution system. Number 1, it provides simplified access to users. This function is important for the users as access to possibly all airlines in the world is simplified via sync interface. Number 2, it connects to multiple airlines. Number 2, it connects to multiple airlines. The system is able to connect to various airlines via modern PC-based clients or even through legacy mainframe clients. Number 3, it needs less maintenance. The system need not to be maintained most of the time, thus offers less upkeep overhead. Number 4, it offers flexibility. The system is able to combine airline inventories without being tedious to the part of a travel agent.